how to connect to Wi-Fi without password using WPS button. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily connect to laptop or computer or Wi-Fi without the password, or we can say how to connect Wi-Fi to your laptop or computer using WPS button. You are listening right. In many routers, if you can check it out, there are a WPS button over here, or if we check out about the screen, you can check out these type of WPS buttons are present on the routers, and you have to press them and hold it for few seconds for connect. But how? First of all, we are going to the Wi-Fi and click on connect, and it is asking about the password, but we don't have the password. We want to connect using the WPS button. What we have to do, we have to press and hold this WPS button for a few seconds. I'm pressing and holding it until its Wi-Fi starts blinking. Now its Wi-Fi is blinking. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the Wi-Fi again and click on connect, and it's showing getting settings from the router, and that means it's connected without the password using WPS button. It's connected to your laptop or computer. That's the way how you can easily connect. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day. Bye bye.